Now a quick exercise on sorting, and once again sorting can be found on the Home tab, but you can find it also on the Data tab. And because sorting is one of the very useful operations and common, you can add also a shortcut to that. I've inserted two icons on a quick ribbon toolbar, and when I hit left Alt, you can see that under Alt and 2, Alt and 3, you can find the shortcuts to the filtering operation. It is recommended usually to apply sorting when you have the auto filtering applied already. Why is that? Because when we sort the table by dates, for example, now in the ascending order, you will see the small down arrow in here that will remind you of the sort order. Similarly, you can sort text alphabetically and you will get the end result. What is more, you can apply more conditions by using the custom sort option, where you can apply by the salesperson in here, but then at the second level, for each of the salesperson, we would like to then filter the data from newest to oldest based on the date, and you can see this particular order for each of the person. Sorting is possible also by color, and you can find it in two places. The first one is auto filter, where you can sort by color, but also on the custom sort you can apply cell font color or the conditional formatting icon as the sort source. So we would like to sort by color and place the red on top. An unusual scenario is where your data is coming from left to right. This is usually not the best way to work with data in Excel and all other data tools, but if you have this kind of situation, you can either transpose the data, sort and place back, or you can find also something that I discovered after I guess 10 years of working with Excel, which is select just the data except for the headings, and then go to the custom sort option, check out the my data has headers, but then in the options you can also find the sort left to right option. Then select the row number by which you would like to sort. In our case this is the row 18, and when you hit OK, you see the data sorted ascending or descending as you choose.